Hi everyone. So I'm down and it is a mess at the minute. This is my work area that I made well, beginning of last year, I think. Literally just taken the ring off, if you've just seen that. And this is where I built the white fiberglass Dalek. And there's one of the effects props, but enough about that. I'm on about this. So I've just cleaned up the area, put all the old bits of casting plaster in there, which this is. If I tap on it, sounds like metal, but it is just plaster, which cures in 10 minutes. Like I say, I was on with this, but now that I've got my 3D printed rings, I don't need this anymore. So this has been sat here for the last good few months, and that was the first time I used the G4 sealer on this to seal it. So yeah, it works out, but I don't need that anymore. So I need, well, the reason why I've cleared this space, and you're probably thinking, what's this then? Well, if I can actually finish, this is going to be it'll be all bolted down and everything, and I'll have a plate on here that'll be spinning basically, and like how I did with that, where I turned a jig and poured plaster constantly, the same will be happening here, but I'll be creating the dome shape. So hopefully that's tomorrow, because right now, if I it is getting late right now, so I've literally I will put it back. I've taken the light out of the TARDIS and put it up there, so then, you know, as I was cleaning up this area, I've got all my stuff, a nice clean area again to work on. So like I say, this will all be cleaned up, get rid of as much as I can, sand it flush, probably take this out, as I'm going to need a newer bolt or something to turn the jig for the new dome. And there's the profile dome former, which was all 3D printed. I don't think I've shown this yet. And I made it so as you've only got so much room on a bed of the 3D printer. So I designed it so that I could create this. And the thing that's different on mine is I've given this little chamfer design, like the Paradigms had. They had the little groove, so I've done that on mine. The dome should come to about come on, I can do this. About 52 or 520, I should say, not 52 centimeters, 520 millimeters. So it's roughly going to end from that's the center to about there, and about there. I'm having to stretch. It's a big dome, so it is a big piece compared to the if you can see it, that's the old dome mold for the Imperial, as well as, you can't see it, but this here is the neck mould, bits left over from the shoulder mould, and then other various things. That there was the mould that I made flower planters for two of my friends, and they're still going strong, the moulds. The other neck ring that's the bottom neck ring of the Imperial, and there's more all behind here, leftover silicone, and it is just a mess. And glass fibre, and that's the material that you use. You use that and your resin to create your finished piece, which is this. So that's fiberglass. That's what it looks like when it's not put in a mould. It's all sort of rough, as you can see. But yeah, so that's where I am tomorrow. I'll be on with the dome. I am on with your project, Ellie, if you're watching. I'm still doing bits of your TARDIS. I'm on with the lamp as the 3D printer's running right now. So I will be doing, hopefully at the end of the week, I'll have gotten your lamp done. Hopefully, that is. So I am on with that, so you can stop asking me if I'm getting on it. I am on it now. So yeah, I'm on with getting the dome, her TARDIS beacon to get done. A bit more filming, a bit of work for my self-employment that I'm currently doing, and yeah, now I'm back down at this area is a bit of a mess, like I say. But yeah, I'll see you all soon, and I'll keep you posted.